In this video, we're going to go over the roadside inspection. So you're getting flagged into a weigh station or pulled over on the side of the road for an inspection. What do? Well, as soon as you come to a stop, your lock screen's going to go down. You're going to go up here, you're going to tap on the truck icon. You're going to go ahead and put yourself into an on-duty not driving status and save that. Now, once you have put yourself into on-duty not driving, you're going to go ahead and grab all of your documentation that you need. Whether it would be fuel receipts or bills of lading, things along them lines. Along with that, every single CyntrX device we ship out contains a manila envelope with it. And here are the contents of that manila envelope. Right here you see the manila envelope. It's got a quick reference guide for the truck driver and for the device. And up here we've got the driver card. Okay. Here's a little better picture of the driver card. Take a look at it because you're going to need it. Take a minute, take a look, make sure that this manila envelope is in your truck. Because like I said, you're going to need this driver card for the inspection. If you do not have this driver card at the time of the inspection, you are liable to get a violation for it. That being said, we're going to go ahead, we're going to grab that driver card, we're going to grab our tablet, we're going to put ourselves into roadside inspection. Once we tap roadside inspection, you're going to see two different points here. You can have start review or data transfer. The data transfer is for the DOT inspector if he would like to look at your logs at a different way. Your job is to tap start review. Now once you've tapped start review, you grab that driver card, you grab your tablet, and you hand it over to the inspector. Your duties on this inspection as a driver are now complete. It is up to the DOT inspector to take a look at your logs here and decide if there is a violation or not. So once the DOT inspector gives you your tablet back and gives you the all clear, here's what you're going to do to go back into the hours of service site. Remember, I said it in an earlier video, if you are going to save your password at the login screen, you want to write it down. Here's the reason why. This screen is a secure screen in the application, meaning that in order to get out of it, you need your password. And we do that so the inspector cannot go into any other parts of the application during its inspection. He has to stay here. But in order for you to get out of it and get back into your hours of service screen, here's what you're going to do. You're going to go up here. You're going to click on the left facing arrow. You're going to click on the left facing arrow again. And as you can see, a pop-up comes up asking for my password. You're going to go ahead. You're going to type in your password that you use to log into the device. Click OK. And as you can see, I am now back at the hours of service screen.